Alright, let's see if that fucking holds. I fucking hate that this happened, because I can actually see where the fuck I am now, and I know exactly where I am. I thought this room was made out of wood. I might be thinking of a room in E215. And it pisses me off, because fucking that's cheating. Don't wave pom-poms. The Cyber Doom is going to be easy. The easiest part of Blind Doom is combat, as long as I don't have 1 health. If I have 1 health, then it sucks. Twitch's way of keeping videos short? Okay, well, that's fucking dumb as shit. Alright, it looks like it's stabilized, and we're good. I've just invalidated the whole run. Alright, what I'm going to do, because I know where I have to go immediately to my left through that little gap right there at the bottom. I'm just going to spin around in circles a couple of times, and, like, I guess that'll disorient me enough, hopefully, to where I can effectively be lost as shit as I originally was. And hopefully we can call that fair. So, hold up. What the fuck did Marquette send me? I want to see this before I go back in. John Romero said leave it in. That's fucking wonderful. Alright. OFTC, so I can't fucking read what the fuck you assholes are trying to tell me in chat. And then, alright, let's get in here. Alright. Monitor back off. Okay, so escape Q. We're just gonna hold down Q. And I'm just gonna spin around for a while, so sorry everybody who gets dizzy. I'm just gonna do this for a little bit. Alright, there we go. That's what we'll consider fucking whatever. Alright, I'm facing a wall. Alright, so back to what the hell I was drawing before I had to fuck that up and fix all that. Where the fuck did I do with my pencil? What the fuck did I do with my pencil? What in the fuck did I do with my... There it is. It's on the ground. Alright. Okay, so there's that wall. So I need to take that wall. I need to find that gap that I need to go through like I was... That pisses me off that I saw that. I know where I am, but oh well. We'll call that fucking... my seeing eye dog suddenly came back for 2 seconds. Alright, there's the wall. There's a corner. Hold up. I know I'm on stairs. Can I... No, I don't think they're tall enough for me to hear the oomphs from me falling down the stairs. There's a corner. Alright, this is the one that goes to the dead end. So wait, if that's the dead end, where'd that corner go? I was just at it. Fuck. Alright, whatever, we're just gonna follow the wall. There's the corner. Alright, here's the stair hallway. If that's an opening, I'm going through that. There's a corner right there. Alright, this is a big open room. This isn't the staircases, so I definitely got past where I need to be. Okay, I hear monsters that way. There's a bunch of monsters that way. Fuck. Door this way. Where's that door? It was like right fucking almost like there it is. There's the door I want. What did I pick up? Fuck. Okay, wait. I went through a door. Alright, so... No, I'm definitely not in a dead end, so I definitely went the right way. Because you go through that hallway. You go through the hallway. And then you go up those stairs. And yeah, it leads you that. Oh god, it leads you to the. I think I picked it up. I'm gonna assume I picked it up. Because it leads you to that platform that looks into the silver room, and the yellow key is on it, and then you drop off that, and oh fuck. Okay. Well, I went straight. I just ran straight into that room, and that's a narrow hallway, and so I had to have picked up the yellow key. And then that takes you into the blue carpet, silver E2M2 damaging light hallway area, where you got those two hallways with the big damaging blinky lights. And in there's where the key door is for the red key, which you have to go down that tunnel, and it's in that little like recess pit that follows the angle bend in the hallway. Okay, so I went through a door. Fuck. Alright, I'm going for it. Fuck it. Okay, alright, so 6. That's the way I came from. So let's go this way. Alright, that's a wall. I am in a square box. Okay, so that's the way I came from. Here's the door. Okay. There's another door, what the fuck? Okay, sure. Shit. Fuck. We're done. Space bar. Okay. Holy fuck, is that Memphis in my chat? Alright. Let me fucking... Autosave. Save game. Mr. Magoo's Wild Ride. There's another kid behind me. Okay, so I definitely do go through here at the start, and then I go through there. Okay, this room is shaped like a fucking oval, that's why. Is there anything in this room I want? Health. Blue armor. Is there any way I could realistically get that blue armor? Well, nah, I'm not gonna fucking... I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so that goes through here, and then yeah, here's the button. Okay, so when I come into this room and I hear that door close, I need to find this corner, and then just immediately go over here, it looks like. Okay, so if I go from that door there, and then I come over here, and then, okay, this is shaped weird. Oh, fuck, there's way more pillars in here than I remember. And there's 2 nukage rivers. Okay, well, how the fuck do I do this easily? So, this is simple because it's just... Fuck off. Shut up. Okay, so I need to go... Boom, oomph, hit this wall, strafe, oomph, back, fucking, I wonder how many times I got caught on these fucking pieces of shit. Come in here, go to this wall, oomph, over, straight. Okay, good, that does oomph, and then I just take this down, listen for that to close behind me. Fuck off, Cacodemon. And I go to this corner, and then I follow that to here, oomph, over, switch, in. What would be the best way to navigate this? In, hear the switch lower, strafe, straight, oomph, over to the side. Yeah, that works. Okay, so oomph, over, go straight, ignore the Cacodemon, hit this wall, oomph. Did my count work? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Almost. 11 works. We'll use 11. Alright, get the blue key card. Over. Alright, that's easy to get back, because you just do that in reverse. That makes sense. Then once I get that shit... I fucking... How do we do this? I'll figure out. Once I come back here, out, straight. There we go. And then, yeah, that works. And then I guess I line up here. Okay, that box of shotgun shells. When I pick that up, I know I could turn, go over. Why isn't that demon activated? Grab that! Holy fuck, move. Okay. Fuck yeah. Alright, so kill the demons, go straight, side, straight, get that fucker, and then back up here. strafe down, go through, come through this. How the fuck do I just follow this wall? I guess I'll follow that wall. Come through here, hit that wall. Okay, follow that wall, hit that wall, go, boom, go, boom, there. Okay, sweet. I'll just run straight off. Okay. Nothing over here more to pick up. So, once I kill all that stuff, I can go straight, and then back up, and then go over to the, I don't know how the fuck I'm... Oh, that's right into the damaging? Fuck that. And then once I get in here, how the fuck do I get to the key? Okay, so I go... No, I don't go this far. This is worthless to me. Okay. So I come in through the yellow door, and I go to the side, and then I go to here. That makes sense. And then I go down to this hallway. Oh, that's a switch, not the key. Alright. Okay, well that's good, because then I can hear the key, and I know to take this, and then drop in here and take damage, and then, that's 20%. Fuck. I'm gonna have to do it. That's the only way I can line myself up with that. And then I come out, and then I go, yeah, here we go. I come over to here, and then I open this up, hit that switch, and then, oh, okay, wait. So if I go... Shit. How do I line myself up with that blind? Fuck me running sideways. Okay, so if I... How am I gonna do that blind? Fuck. Shit. Okay, so I'd center myself between this door. But how do I turn to know I'm That's slightly longer, but, Okay, hold up. I'm here. Okay, so hit the switch. And then back up. And then turn. No, hold up. Hit the switch. 1, 2. No, I bounce off that. Fuck. Hit the switch. 1, 2. I have to turn a degree. Oh, wait. I know what I can do. Okay, hit the switch. Back up. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Straight. Ooh, that's a sketchy jump. That one. No, we're not doing that. Okay. Balance myself in here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. Right, this done. Okay, switch, boom, boom, switch. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's try that again. Okay, switch. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Nope. 1, oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That's gonna kill me a bunch. It's gonna kill me so many times. It's at the end of the fucking level, too. I'll have to figure out this fucking shit. I don't know how I'm gonna fucking... Alright, hold on, let me fight this guy a little bit with my eyes closed. As long as I don't get stuck on a pillar, this should be pretty easy, actually. He gives off a lot of sound. And he just killed me. Oh well. I think that'll be doable. I just, Okay, good. We are saved there. Alright, sweet. Quit. Oh, God. Yeah, the Cyber Demon should be fightable. It makes a lot of noise, so... And I get 3 or 4 hits, so we're good. 11 worked perfectly last time. I hit it dead on. Okay. Sweet. Alright, well, we'll come back to that shit. Ah, fuck. Alright. I don't know what we're gonna do about that. I'm off.